Konnichiwa. Today's topic is animal and people in Japan. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to say what animal and people are in certain locations. Let's go through the expressions, its practice, and the native perspectives. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Introduction. ロケーションにアニマル or person がいます。日本 Japan タヌキ raccoon dog 日本にタヌキがいます。There are raccoon dogs in Japan. Repeat after me. 日本にタヌキがいます。日本にタヌキがいます。Okay? Let's digest the sentence pattern through practice. 1. In Nara, Shika exists. In Japanese? Yes, 奈良に鹿がいます。Good start. 2. In Okinawa, mongoose exists. Yes, 沖縄にマングースがいます。Very good. 3. In Hokkaido, 鶴 exists. Yes, 北海道に鶴がいます。Let's keep going. 4. In Nagano, 猿 exists. Yes, 長野に猿がいます。5. In 金沢、芸者 exists. Yes, 金沢に芸者がいます。6. In 静岡、家族 family exists. Yes, 静岡に家族がいます。7. In 京都、友達 friend exists. 京都に友達がいます。8. In 東京、山本先生 exists. 先生 is teacher. 東京に山本先生がいます。9. In アムステルダム、木村先生 exists. Yes, アムステルダムに木村先生がいます。10. In London, 生徒 my student exists. ロンドンに生徒がいます。Okay, the last one. In your town or country, what animal or who exists? Your place に animal or person がいます。Wonderful! Please write it out in the comment section below. It will be a good output practice for you. Okay, the summary, まとめ。Tell me today's sentence structure. Yes, ロケーションに animal or person がいます。Do you remember lesson 1? For example, 静岡に富士山があります。We talked about objects in a certain location. Then we used あります with object. So tell me, animal person takes? います。Object takes? あります。Good! The native speakers see the location first, and then things exist there. So the order they see is the word order. 2. The native speakers see animals and people as the same kind of things. But they differentiate objects from us. Mixing them up is a common error. So I made the practice video for you. You can select imasu or arimasu quickly through lots of practice. And you can build up vocabulary too. Well done, you made a great step forward. In the next lesson, you'll learn there is with time and event. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.